As you guys see right now, we're super excited to be working in the Mopar industry where we're going to be releasing a wide body kit for our Mopar guys, 2015 and up Dodge Chargers. We're still working on this fitment right now. We just worked around it and we taped it up a little bit to see how fitment is. So far from what I'm seeing, it's going to be really good. Stay tuned for that, guys. I can't wait to show you guys this when it's completely done. First wide body SRT. How about that? Fitment in the front too. Like, what's up? God. Nice. Honestly, man, one of my favorite projects that I've ever been accomplished here.
Damn.
This looks dope.
Nice job, Mo. Thank you, man. Thank you.
You like it, little man? Yeah, you got the approval? Let's go. There we go.
Man, it's pretty good.
Oh, this is too nice. What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We have some awesome, exciting news for you guys to launch for our SRT/Mopar owners Dodge Charger from 2015 and up. Wide body is in, it's in stock, ready to go for you guys, and I can't wait to go over all the details with our first wide body Dodge Charger in-house. I am super hyped, guys. I'm super excited and I can't wait to go over all the details. Let's go ahead and start out with the rear fitment. The way this has been done was one of my favorites, and to do it with Edgar's car, you know, giving us a flashback when we first started out in the Camaro scene with this Camaro, definitely is a good touching moment for us to work on his car and be the first wide body with Auto Addict period. So we can't wait to display the awesome content that we have for you guys in this wide body. Being this the first wide body install for us was definitely a challenge for us to learn and get all the specs that needs to be known for other future clients that we will be doing wide bodies to. The biggest thing for me is when you guys get this, the cool thing about our kit is you don't have to cut if you guys have the right installer. Unless you guys are local to us and you guys want us to get this done by us, we'd be more than happy to help you out. But it will definitely push out your car and give it an aggressive look about it. 1.5 inches to 3 inches. It depends on how the install and what kind of products are you using to install our kit. We definitely wanted to stay from the fiberglass material for you guys because we've worked with fiberglass before, and one of the cons about working with fiberglass that it tends to crack later on in time. So with this being PP, knowing that it's ready to wrap or paint is definitely a kit that you want to work with. It's definitely the same thing as our ZL1 bumpers that we offer for our Gen 5 and Gen 6 Camaros. Now let's go ahead and dive into Fitment, guys. As you can see on the rear action, it will be a 3-piece setup. You got the one that's gonna go all the way from the door, all the way down to the side skirt, and then all the way on the corner panel right here. And then lastly, the main piece is where it connects with your original side marker, and it goes down all the way from the bumper to the bottom line of the wheel line. Everything lines up just like OEM. You don't really have to do any cutting. If you install this the right way, it should be an easy install to where you don't have to do no cutting or some sort of measurements. But when you definitely install this kit, you have 2 options with us. You can also get the wheel adapters for this kit. We will be obviously posting this on our website, or you guys can get a more of an aggressive wheel setup. By example, you can go a 20 by 10.5, 20 by 11, maybe 20 by 12, it all depends. But if you're gonna go 20 by 12, I would definitely recommend doing a custom 2-piece, 3-piece, so it definitely makes more aggressive. But if you wanna start out with just the kit and rocking your OEM setups, highly recommend some wheel adapters. All this products is definitely tested and good to go, and it will be listed on our website for you guys to purchase. The front fitment, guys, one of my favorite things in this kit right now. As you can see, the front kit comes with a 2-piece kit. As you can see, a 1 long piece from the top of the bumper all the way to the bottom. Also, the cutout for the corner light is available, so you can go ahead and extend it. The wires, you don't have to do any extension on the wires. The wire will run perfectly fine to where it connects. Our client obviously is running Dive Dynamics new side markers. This also will be in the description below. Going over to the second piece of the front fitment is a 1 big piece going from the fender all the way down to the other side of the fender. This right here is connected by a bracket that fits the OEM liner. As you can see, this black piece right here, it's a plastic piece that was installed by us to make sure it clips on and it holds it with durability. The cool thing about it is we didn't have to cut. You can cut if you want, but we decided to use a double-sided 3M glue to where it sticks extremely well. In order for us to make sure the 3M double-sided is really stuck on there, is we cleaned the car extremely well. We made sure everything on the surface is extremely smooth, so when we laid that 3M double-sided tape, it was well stuck and it grabbed the kit and the fender all together for a flush fitment. Alright guys, you guys have 2 options when it comes to your wide body finish, whether you guys want to paint it or wrap it. Our kit is ready to paint or wrap. If you plan on painting it, you definitely got to primer the kit a little bit to smoothen it out, level everything, even though everything is pretty well leveled when you guys get it from us. But if you plan to wrap it, just go ahead and alcohol the kit all around, make sure it's nice and clean, and you can wrap it as is. Our client decided to go with the 3M 2080 gloss black, where you guys can even hardly tell the difference. So with 3M being as closest to the OEM paint is definitely a killer idea, where it helped save money for our client, so we don't have to use our premium PPG paint temporary, and we use the 3M 2080 film that blends in with the fender and obviously giving it the gloss true look that it deserves. Dodge Charger owners, this kit is for you guys, giving you guys the wide body appearance, the stance on the wheels, the fitment that we provided for our client Edgar. If you're looking to get this aggressive look, definitely this kit is for you guys. It's gonna give you the more aggressive, mean Mopar appearance that it deserves. And also, our wide body kit will fit from 2015 to 2020 non-wide body Chargers. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys loved our new first ever with Addict USA wide body Dodge Charger, give this video a thumbs up. We can't wait to show you guys what's next. We're actually gonna take this car on a very special promo shoot to show you guys some more action of this aggressive kit. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button. We got a lot more content coming out. Hit that bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. I cannot wait to show you what's next for this build, and I will see you guys soon. Peace. You got the murder look, but what's next? I want to use the ring, but I don't. But I feel like it might be too glossy because of the paint. And at the end of the day, you're a wide body 20, oh, not 2020. The SRT, the Hellcat already comes with one. Fuck. This kit will fit from 2015 to 2020 unwide-bodied. This kit will fit from 2015 to 2020 unwide-bodied. Did I say that right? Kit will fit from 2015 to 2020. Why am I?